Hello, good afternoon for all students. Dear friends, I, Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantrao Naik, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Dear friends, in your syllabus point of view, the Zoology paper first, Zoo 401, Genetics, in semester second, we already this paper, the completed the syllabus in Zoom meeting form. Dear friends, we also engaging the extra lecture as compared to the many more students which are not attending the Zoom meetings. This student also your important roles or in your syllabus point of view. This lecture also same to in the form of the PPT sharing also uploaded your YouTube's and your WhatsApp group. We also seen the lectures again and again. आपण पुन्हा बघू शकतो, ऐकू शकतो. म्हणून तुमच्याकरता पुन्हा जे विद्यार्थी अजूनही आपल्या झूम मीटिंगला जॉईन झालेले नाहीत त्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी मी काल परवा एक लेक्चर टाकलं. युट्यूबला बघितलं का भावना? युट्यूबला टाकलं?
हो सर पाहिलं.
हा, त्यामुळे पहिलंच लेक्चर आहे फर्स्ट. म्हणजे हे दोन लेक्चरचे पहिल्या युनिट युनिट 2 च पहिली पीपीटी. And today we start the PPT seconds of the unit 2. The unit's name is the Mendelian Genetics and its extension. याच्यामध्ये आपण पुन्हा त्या संदर्भातलं प्रिन्सिपल्स ऑफ इनहेरिटन्स आपण बघितलं होतं. पुन्हा त्या ठिकाणी वेगळ्या प्रकारचे लॉज, इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट्स as well as law of dominance, law of inheritance, all kinds of the activity we discuss in these units. That is, today we discuss about the next topic of this unit, that is the polygenic inheritance. Dear friends, त्याचा टॉपिक आहे या आपल्या युनिट मधलाच. त्याचे नाव आहे पॉलिजेनिक इनहेरिटन्स. Dear friends, we know about first is the what is mean polygenic inheritance. त्याची concept clear व्हायला पाहिजे त्यासाठी. मग concept of polygenic inheritance, the quantitative inheritance is controlled by many genes. It is also known as multiple factor inheritance or polygenic inheritance. त्या ठिकाणी आपण बघू शकतो त्या फॉर्म मधून अशा पद्धतीने तो जो क्वांटिटेटिव्ह आहे, that is the quantitative inheritance is controlled by many genes. It is also known as multiple factor inheritance or polygenic inheritance. In next slides, that is polygenic inheritance when one phenotypic characteristic is controlled by more than one gene. In other words, it is called as the polygenic inheritance. Kohler-Hunter is known as father of polygenic inheritance. This is the name of the scientist. It is also called a quantitative inheritance. The quantity of inheritance depends on dominant alleles. Dominant alleles have cumulative effects, each exposing part of traits. त्या ठिकाणी आपण करू शकतो. Gene involved in quantitative inheritance is known as polygenes. Polygenic inheritance do not follow the Mendelian ratio. Example, skin color of man, weight, kernel color. So this is the best example of the polygenic inheritance. Ratio is the when two polygenic are considered 1:4:6:4:1. When three polygenic are considered 1:6:20:15:15:6:1. लक्षात अशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी आपण ते करू शकतो. So this is a conducting the specific view. That is next point of in the slides. That is a polygenic inheritance. In polygenic inheritance, concept of polygenic inheritance that is skin color in man. It is the best example to denoting the interesting example of quantitative or polygenic return explained by Davenport 1913. It was the first studied by Davenport 1913 in case of Negro-European intermarriage. Skin color is due to pigment melanin, more pigment darker in the color. There are 3 genes polygene controlling the production of melanin, but for convenience we considered only 2 pair of genes for Negro, capital A, capital BB, maximum melanin, or albino, small a, small bb, minimum melanin. So this is a polygenic inheritance. That is the parents Negro, high melanin, capital A, capital BB, albino, no melanin, small a, small bb. Gametes, capital A, capital B, cross with the small a, small b to form by the mulatto, capital A, capital B, small b in F1 generation. So this is a checkers boards to see in the specific gametes to form by the variations in the ratio to peculiar checkmates. Polygenic inheritance of skin color. It is possible for twins to be lighter or darker than both parents. Phenotype, genotypes, male, female to combine by the pinnate grids darker genotypes to this ratio of particular events. So this is a polygenic inheritance. Capital A, small bb, small a, capital B, small b, capital A, small bb. This is the albino. This is a fair, mulatto, dark, and negro. So this is a specific category of the polygenic inheritance of these genes to the rotating this diagram. That can happen. So this is a F2 ratio 1:4:6:4:1. This is a polygenic inheritance ratio, number of dominant allele, phenotype ratio to conducting by the out of 60. That is ratio दाखवलेले. So this is how many graphical representation of this inheritance of the skin color in human beings. Negro, this percentage is dark, mulatto, fair, and albino. So this is the mulatto is the highest, dark and fair is the same, and also negro and albino is the same. It is the concentration or graphical representation of this polygenic inheritance genes. So this is the polygenic inheritance of the skin color in human being. Is a centralized disc to this schematic representation. The highest is the mulatto, 38%. That is a fair and dark is 35%. Negro and albino is 6%. Weight kernel color is the example of the second with by the polygenic inheritance. So this is a polygenic inheritance. Such example over happen bagitle. Next topic in this unit number 2 is also called as a multiple alleles. Dear friends, most important known as a multiple allele. We also every student has known about first what is mean multiple allele. Multiple alleles is concept आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती पाहिजे. So introduction as well as multiple alleles when more than 2 different forms of a given gene exist in a species, they are called as a multiple allele. Normally, individuals has 2 alleles. During his study on genetic, Mendel also assumed only 2 alleles of one trait. Examples of multiple alleles: a blood group ABO in human. It is a specific to example of the schematic representation. So, in a various observation for a phenotypic traits or characters of an individual depends on a single pair of gene which occupies a specific position called as a gene locus on a homologous chromosome. Moreover, particular gene has been found to occur in the 2 alternative forms. Example, gene L for length of Drosophila wings may occur in 2 alternative forms. A gene or allele L plus for wild type or normal development of the wings, and allele L minus for mutant or vestigial wings. So this is a multiple alleles. Introduction point of view, multiple alleles when more than two different forms of the given gene exist in a species, they are called as a multiple allele. Normally, individual has two alleles. During his study on genetic, Mendel also assumed only two alleles of one trait. There can be large number of possible allelic forms in that same population. This situation is called as a multiple allelism. Dear friends, that is the characteristics of the multiple allele. Multiple alleles characteristics is, first is the multiple alleles occupy the same locus within the homologous chromosome. It means only one member of the series is present in a given chromosome. Pehla characteristics है. Second characteristics, since only two chromosomes of each type are present in each diploid cell, only two genes of the multiple series are found in a cell and also in a given individual. The gametes contain only one chromosomes of each types, therefore only one allele of the multiple series in each gamete. Next, fourth characteristics, crossing over does not occur in the multiple alleles. Fifth, multiple alleles control the same character, but each of them is characterized by different manifestation. And sixth, when two of the mutant multiple alleles are crossed, the phenotype is mutant type and not wild type. Dear friends, in next slides, that is a multiple alleles features आपण बघितले, ज्या ठिकाणी characteristics आहेत as same for the features of the multiple alleles. Multiple alleles always occupy the same locus on the chromosome. Multiple alleles always influence the same characters. No crossing over among the member alleles of the same multiple alleles in series. That is, examples of multiple alleles is the best. That is blood group ABO in human, coat color in mice, coat color in rabbit, eye color in Drosophila is a few more best example to get by the explanation by the multiple alleles. So the blood group ABO in human, classical and most common example of the multiple alleles in ABO blood group of human being, gene coding blood group has 3 alleles rather than 2. For the ABO gene, the 3 alleles are the IA, IB, and in second small I allele. We typically call these alleles capital A, capital B, and capital O. Later, capital I stands for immunoglobulin. Intimate connect. Next is the continue. That is the capital I, capital A, IA, and IB show codominance. An individual who is heterozygous for these two alleles, for the phenotype of both alleles are completely expressed, thus producing blood type AB. The small I allele, the O allele is received to both the IA, IB allele, the A and B alleles as a specifically serial number, genotype and phenotype. So IA, IA or IA small I type A, IB, IB or IB small I type B, as same for IA, IB type AB, and it is in a I0 is a small I is a 0 to continue by the tubes. Next is the detection of ABO, AB and O blood types in the humans determined by multiple alleles and 2 alleles acting co-dominantly over third. त्या ठिकाणी आपण त्याच्यामध्ये कशा पद्धतीचं blood type of cells, genotypes, antibodies made by body and reaction to added antibodies, anti and anti-B त्या ठिकाणी specific schematic आपल्याला दाखवलेलं आहे. हे ब्लड ग्रुप असेल तर जीनोटाइप IA or IB that दाखवलेलं आहे. anti-B, anti-A मध्ये this situation, anti-B मध्ये this situation, B, IB and small IB. So this is anti-A, this situation, AB. So this is schematic representation of this AB and O blood type of the human determined. So this is a ABO donor recipient combination. The tick mark indicates compatibility in blood transfusion and cross indicates incompatibility. म्हणजे कोणाला फेवरेबल आहे ब्लड देण्याकरता, कोणाला फेवरेबल नाही, अशा प्रकारचे स्टॅट्यूट या ठिकाणी या स्केमॅटिक रिप्रेझेंटेशन आपल्याला दिसते मित्रांनो. सो दिस इज अ different types of the blood group: phenotype, genotype, antigen present on red blood cells, antibody found in the serum. कोणामध्ये O ब्लड ग्रुप असेल तर जीनोटाइप स्मॉल आय आहे, अँटीजन नन आहे, अँटी ए आणि अँटी बी. जर क्या फिनोटाइप ब्लड ग्रुप ए असेल तर आय ए स्मॉल आय, ए अँटीजन, अँटी बी. बी मध्ये आय बी क्रॉस आय बी स्मॉल आय, बी अँटीजन, अँटी ए. आणि एबी मध्ये कॅपिटल आय ए बी both A and B antigen none, antibody form. So this is a blood group types representation by these charts. So possible blood groups in the children of the different blood groups. एखाद्या डिफरंट ब्लड ग्रुप मध्ये कुठल्या कुठल्या प्रकारचे ब्लड ग्रुप असू शकतात. मदर्स ब्लड टाइप आणि फादर्स ब्लड टाइप, त्यापैकी त्यांची एनआर जर असेल ए असेल ए और ओ, बी असेल तर ए बी ओ, ए बी और ओ, ए बी असेल तर ए बी और ए बी और ओ, ए बी और ए बी. अशा पद्धतीने त्यांची क्रॉसिंग, याची क्रॉसिंग, याची क्रॉसिंग, त्याची क्रॉसिंग. ओ असेल ए और ओ, बी और ओ, ए और बी, ओ बी आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघू शकतो. अशा पद्धतीने हा स्केमॅटिक रिप्रेझेंटेशन चार्ट ब्लड ग्रुपच्या पॉसिबिलिटी दाखवतो. पॉसिबल ब्लड ग्रुप्स इन ऑफस्प्रिंग अँड देअर पेरेंट्स कुठले कुठले असू शकतात या चार्ट्स मध्ये दाखवलेले या स्लाइड्स मध्ये. कोड कलर इन रॅबिट सेकंड multiple alleles example है coat color in rabbits. Another example of the trait controlled by multiple genes is coat color in rabbits. There are 4 types of coat color in rabbits and each type denotes specific alleles. Agouti coat is pure black or yellow and sometimes with patches. Chinchilla coat a silvery gray. Himalayan white coats with black color in the extremities. Albino coat pure white due to absence of pigmentations. So this is a schematic representation by the charts. How many percent by the colored CC, C small ch, 50% colored, small c cs small, 50% Himalayan albino, colored Himalayan albino is crossing the pessary to parents young ones. These alleles, genotype, phenotypes: wild type brown fur, chinchillo black, tipped white fur, Himalayan white fur with black paws, nose, ears, tail, and albino whiter as a specific fur to considering the color of this hue. So next is the this is a coat colors indicating. Multiple alleles is the best example of this group. More than 2 alleles for a given trait is organism till inherit 2 alleles. Phenotype allele pictures domains and possible. Agouti, Chinchilla, Himalayan and albino. This kind of the dominant to all alleles. Dominant to CH, capital CH and small c. Dominant to small c. Recessive to all alleles. So this is a schematic representation charts by the multiple alleles. Lethal genes. Next is the most important topics in the syllabus after completion by the ABO blood group. त्याच्यानंतर जर आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघितलं तर आपल्याला lethal genes. First, dear friends, we know about concepts and constitutions of the lethal genes. Genes are the functional unit of the chromosome and working capacity of genes is called the gene action. In diploid 2n condition, the paired genes for a particular expression shows a peculiar behavior toward each other, and this is known as the gene interaction. Each interaction in alleles may show various effects in the life of organism. Like study of such gene interaction, sometimes quite strange results are known. Some of the pairing of genes for a particular expression may prove to be so much harmful that it may result in the death of offspring. Such a life-losing combination of gene is known as the lethal genes. Lethal genes are mutant genes and result in the death of the individuals which carries them. Death of the individual occur either in the parental or postnatal postnatal period prior to sexual maturity. Dear friends, allele which cause an organism to die is known as the lethal genes. Certain genes are absolutely essential for survival. Mutations in these genes creates lethal alleles. Lethal genes are dominant or recessive. Fully dominant lethal alleles kills organism in both homozygous and heterozygous condition. Certain lethal genes kills organisms in homozygous condition on only. So lethal genes, we already definition, genes which results in viability reduction of individuals or become a cause for death of the individual carrying them. त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्या तशा प्रकारच्या जीन्सला लिथल जीन्स आपण म्हणतो. Some lethal genes cause death of zygote or the early embryonic stage, while some expresses their effect in later stages of development. Types of lethal genes. Lethal alleles falls into 4 categories. That is the early onset, late onset, conditional, and last is the semi-lethal. So all kinds of the genes has particularly given to characteristic features. Next is the example. Y gene in mouse. Y gene responsible for yellow coat color in mouse is recessive condition. It produces white color. Allele Y is lethal only when it present in homozygous dominant condition, capital YY. But this allele is not lethal in heterozygous dominant, capital Y, small y, and homozygous recessive, small yy condition. Dear friends, so this is example of the lethal genes: dead yellow coat color, white coat color, and yellow coat color. So this is one is a small yy. Capital YY will be dead. Lethal genes as a specifically to stage these characteristic features already discussed. History of the lethal genes. Lucien Cunot, while studying the irregular coat color in mice, he expected a phenotype ratio from cross to 3 yellow, 1 white, but the observed ratio was 2:1. Allele was lethal in homozygous dominant condition. Lethal genes as a specifically explained conducting by the schematic slides. Epistasis. Next point in the syllabus is the epistasis. Dear friends, we first know means what is mean epistasis. In the phenomenon of masking effect is known as epistasis. Epistasis is a Greek word meaning standing over. It was first used in 1909 by Bateson to describe a masking effect, an interaction between a pair of loci in which the phenotypic effect or one locus depends on the genotype at the second locus, gene whose phenotype is expressed specifically in the condition. So difference between the dominance and epistasis. The dominance is involves intra-allelic gene interaction. Involves inter-allelic gene interaction. Allelic gene interaction. One allele hides the effect of the other allele at the same gene. One gene hides one gene hides the effect of the other gene at different gene locus, gene pairs. So this is a chemical interpretation. A gene is a chemical determiner. Genes products interact with the environment and factors such as temperature, light, hormones, and enzymes. If there is any problem or mutation in the intermediates, it can lead to another phenotype and hence disturb the Mendelian ratios. Dear friends, in your epistasis point of view, example effect of the two genes that functions in the eye, pigmentation and Drosophila. The genes are vermilion small v and Chinnibars CN files that are mutant for CN lack to specifically only 10 minutes are required to get by the fast. 10 मिनिटं राहिले आपले आणि आपलं हे फ्री वर्जन आहे त्यामुळे आपल्याला लवकर संपवावं लागेल. त्या व्ही फ्लाइज मध्ये त्या ठिकाणी जॅन्थो mating but for the different V flies are to get by the blockades this condition. एक्झाम्पल दाखवलेलं आहे. Kinds of epistasis interaction. The epistasis less than 4 phenotypes appears in F2. That is dominant epistasis 12:3:1 ratio. Recessive epistasis 9:3:4. Supplementary interaction. Duplicate recessive genes 9:7. Complementary genes. Duplicate dominant genes 15:1. Multiple genes as apex as 9:6:1. The all kinds of the epistatic interaction ratio are discussed in the Zoom meetings. That is आपण dominant recessive interaction 13:3 असे जवळजवळ 6-7 प्रकारचे आपण काइंड्स ऑफ epistasis बघितलेले आहेत. त्याचे आपण ब्रीफ या ठिकाणी जास्त डिस्कस करणार नाही, कारण दिस टॉपिक ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन युअर Zoom मीटिंग. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. त्याचे काही स्केमॅटिक रिप्रेझेंटेशन तुम्हाला कळायला पाहिजे म्हणून या ठिकाणी आपण या स्लाइड्स वरती फक्त ऑब्झर्वेशन करण्याकरता तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी दाखवलं जाते. डॉमिनंट एलील्स त्या ठिकाणी epistasis मध्ये 12:3:1 रेशो कसं इंटिमेट केला गेलेला आहे त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दाखवायचे. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज द डॉमिनंट epistasis रेशो. Recessive epistasis 9:3:4. Supplementary interaction. Recessive alleles small a of one gene locus hides the effect of the another gene locus capital BB small b or small bb and express itself phenotypically. So this is a schematic represented by these slides. This is an example of this ratio. This is a dominant recessive interaction 13:3 ratio to indicate by the particular coloration of this hue. Next is this example of this. So this is a last topic is in the it is a pleiotropy. This is a consisting as a pleiotropy. Already the sex linked genes, Y linked genes already discussed by the first unit. आपण बघितलं होतं त्याच्यामध्ये जीन्स कसे कंटेंट कडे गेलेले आहेत. प्लेओट्रॉपी मध्ये आपण बघितलं त्याची डेफिनेशन is defined as the when one gene influences multiple unrelated phenotype traits. Pleiotropy describes the genetic effects of a single gene on multiple phenotypic traits. Mutation in a pleiotropic gene may have an effect on the some or all traits. Mechanism of pleiotropy in most cases its effect of the gene and metabolic pathway to the different phenotypes. Genes showing pleiotropy produce a single polypeptide just like other non-pleiotropic genes, but their polypeptide governs such a biological reactions which is basic to many development events. As a result, important of the functions. Dear friends, history of this pleiotropy. The term pleiotropy was coined up in 1910 by Prescripts. The term pleiotropy comes from the Greek words pleion meaning more and trophy tropos meaning characters. So this is the example of this pleiotropic. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण antagonistic pleiotropy असं म्हटलं गेलेलं आहे. दुसरी त्याच्यामध्ये आपण examples of pleiotropy is the phenolacturia and also the phenylalkazine त्या ठिकाणी दाखवलेलं आहे. Examples of this antagonistic pleiotropy to determine this continuity of this phenolacturia. This one gene is located. This is a phenylalanine in a bloodstream is toxic to the developing nervous system of newborn and infant children and which causes mental retardation. Whereas tyrosine is used by the body to make melanin and an important component of this pigmentation. The failure to convert normal levels of phenylalanine to tyrosine results in the less pigmentation of hair and skin. So this is the example example. Next is the sex linked gene. The gene that located on the either sex chromosome is called the sex linked gene. Genes on the Y chromosome are called Y linked genes. There are few of these. Genes on the X chromosome are called X linked genes. We already discussed in the first. This is the third YouTube lectures. We already studied. So in terms of the X linked genes, X chromosome have genes for many characteristics and related to sex chromosome and Y chromosome mainly accorded by this related determination. So this is example of this way. Your time is short. Let's discuss this particular quotation in second lectures. We discuss. So this is the extra chromosomal inheritance. Introduction of extra chromosomal inheritance is defined as the non-Mendelian inheritance usually involving DNA in replicating mitochondria and some other organelles of cell. The genes that have been called as cytoplasmic genes, extrachromosomal gene or extranuclear genes are located on a unique kind of chromosome inside the cytoplasmic organelle, commonly defined as the transduction to specific way. In the next, that is the male sterility and female sterility consisting by this you is not your syllabus. आपण त्याच्यामध्ये generally the slides manners आपण घेतलेले types of male sterility, phenotypic male sterility, that is genotypic male sterility, genetic male sterility, cytoplasmic male sterility, indicating by the pleiotropics, coiling pattern of the cell in cell. That is the examples of the that is the extra chromosomal inheritance point of view. This cell coiling in limnica. The effects of the maternal genotype on the coiling is detected. That is a diagram of this schematic representation by the cell coiling in limnica. It is an example of the extra chromosomal inheritance in eukaryotes. Dear friends, conclusion. Thus, we know that only nuclear inheritance is responsible for gene expression in an individual, but cytoplasmic inheritance is also responsible for various characters. Dear friends, इथं आपलं हे सेकंड युनिट संपलेले विद्यार्थी मित्र लक्षात भावना स्क्रीन वगैरे दिसत होतं स्क्रीन वगैरे दिसत होतं ना बेटा
जी सर
हो हाँ थैंक यू स्टे होम स्टे सेफ मैं एंड करता हूँ स्टोर होने
ओके सर